Good morning, ma'am. Did I say your first name?
No, ma'am, it's Andrea.
C. Andrea. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
And Ms. Stevens, were you able to get someone hired?
I actually talked to Mr. Ryan Gertz, and he gave me his pay rate, and I'm about 2 checks away from giving him his down payment.
Okay.
But I have a question for you.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of paying a down payment for what he wants to start with, I have a lawyer who's trying to do the case for me for the whole amount that I can start off with Mr. Gertz. And I was wondering, can I go ahead and use the lawyer I told you about the first time I used?
You can use whoever you want to.
You told me I had to get some more money.
No, I never said that. I never would have said that. So what I might have said was that and I don't remember our conversation because I see a bunch of people every week. But I can assure you I've never told one because it would be illegal for me to tell someone they have to hire someone from a certain place. Now, hiring someone locally may be less expensive than someone coming in from Houston. Sometimes the people from Houston have issues getting here on time and things like that. I don't care who you hire. So absolutely, if there's someone that you want to hire that's more reasonably priced, as long as they're willing to come here for your court dates, that's fine with me, okay? So I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. I'll give you about 30 days to get whoever you want hired, and then bring the reset notice to whoever you hire, and they'll tell you what to do, okay? All right, step in front of the clerk. Wrong one? Okay. Good morning, you're Lewis Contreras?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Contreras, did you get someone hired?
Right now, at the moment, man, I'm struggling. My truck was missing for 2 months. It got stolen right here in Beaumont. Then we found the truck last week on Thursday, right here in City Spring.
Mm-hmm.
And they took everything out from the truck. My radio.
Are you working?
Yes, I'm working right now, but I'm struggling with the car right now. And I got 3 kids, and it's hard for me right now.
Did you
So
talk
I'm
to
trying-
Did you talk to some
Yes,
lawyers?
I talked to Rojas, but Rojas said that, oh man, I'm gonna try to see if I can work it out with you. And so I'm trying to see if I can get somebody else. And it's hard.
Yeah,
Right
I
now,
understand. Did you?
Right now, my wife she's facing charges to this guy. My truck was stolen so for 2 months, so I was no ride for 2 months.
Okay. I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Contreras, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely, because you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct. So put whatever your income is, whatever your bills are, and then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that paperwork. Good morning. You're Christian Ainsworth? And Mr. Ainsworth, did you get someone hired? Did you talk to some lawyers?
This past month has been very stressful. Like, mentally, my mom just passed away yesterday.
I'm very sorry. And I appreciate you being here, even though that happened yesterday. So I will reset your case about 30 days. You can get past that. Call some lawyers in the meantime, okay? Once you get past funeral and whatever you're going through, talk to them, see if you can afford someone, bring me those names, and we'll discuss your options when you come back. Step in front of the clerk. Deshandra Joseph. Good morning, ma'am. You're Deshandra Joseph. Did you get someone hired?
The last time I was here, I spoke to the verdict, and we were having some kind of release from the IRS for releasing my taxes. So you gave me a couple more days. They still haven't released him. I reached back out to him to see if I can get him some kind of payment plan. He said that he doesn't do that. He needed $5,000 upfront, and I told him, because I'm a single parent, that I didn't have that. So I was trying to find people that could do down, like, payment schedules, and I just couldn't find anyone.
Who else did you talk to?
I talked to Brittany Holmes, and I talked to Prince.
Okay. And are you working?
Yes, ma'am. I work at a daycare.
Okay. Full-time?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your hourly rate?
$10 an hour.
Okay, I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to fill it out accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it.
Yes, ma'am.
You'll step over here in front of the clerk, she'll give you that paperwork. And then don't forget to grab your stuff when you walk back.
Yes, ma'am.
Ronald Souls. Good, sir. You Ronald Souls?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Souls, did you get someone hired?
I was told that I had my lawyer was supposed to be up here, but I'm going through like so much right now. My auntie passed, and right after she passed, my father passed. I had called the courthouse.
When did that happen?
My auntie passed in May. My dad passed like at the end of May.
Okay,
I was trying to get his obituary to bring it up here.
okay.
I'm
Are you
kinda like,
working?
I got laid off due to happening. Well, my aunt, she lived in Atlanta, so I had to drive my mom to Atlanta. Once I came back from Atlanta, and my father passed, then I had to tend to his funeral, and I was laid off my job. I was working at the Verge.
Okay. Have you tried since then, now that all that's passed, have you tried getting another job?
I'm in the process of it, but I'm trying to get a lawyer on this case right here, and I was told that I had a lawyer.
So when you're in custody, you're appointed a lawyer automatically. And that was Mr. Rojas.
Yes, ma'am.
But hold on, so now that you've bonded out though, I expect you to hire your own attorney. We talked about that when you were here last time.
Yes, ma'am.
And so understand you've gone through some stuff. I'm gonna reset your case for 30 days for you to try to get a job first. And I want you to talk to at least 3 lawyers to find out how much they charge, what their payment plans are, see if you can afford someone once you start working. You need to bring me proof of, if you've gotten a job, I want you to bring me some kind of proof that you've gotten a job, a pay stub or something from an employer. If not, I want you to bring me proof that you're applying to jobs every single week,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? And then we'll discuss what your options are.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, step in front of the clerk. Brandon Broussard, good morning, you're Brandon Broussard. And Mr. Broussard, did you get a lawyer hired?
Yeah, I got Justin, but I paid him like on Friday. I just need in his office on tonight.
Who?
Justin, y'all know.
Okay, so you paid him Friday?
Yeah, but I haven't got a chance to go by his office to I guess to show the proof of representing. But I'm not on the payment.
Dustin. Is he on our docket today? So you actually went to his office and paid him money?
No, I did online, but I text Justin's phone. He said give him $2,000 or whatever, and then I covered it. And then
Okay.
his office open at 9. I had to be there at 8:30.
Okay, so I'm just going to reset your case a couple of weeks. As long as you get all that taken care of, that date will probably change. He'll send us the appropriate paperwork and that'll probably have a different date. If something happens though, and he doesn't tell you about a new court date or your bondsman, make sure you come back in 2 weeks, okay?
You want me to
Keep that and go do what you're supposed to with Mr. Galmore. If you'll step in front of the clerk and sign a receipt, please, sir. Thank you.